Well, hello there, good people. Hi, I'm Jason with Green Country Agroforestry, and we're out here again on Turkey Mountain today. This is the 27th of September, so fall has already begun, and we're going to take a look around and see if we can find some of the plant species that we identified on our previous trip that may have gone ahead and finished their life cycle and gone to seed. Maybe we can find some seeds that we can plant in some other convenient places. And I just stopped here at this location for a couple of reasons. One is somebody decided to leave trash on the ground, so we're going to do a little bit of trash pickup, but also to have a look at these rocks that are exposed and weathering behind me. Okay, so here we've got a small rise where we've had some erosion, and you can see the parent rock underneath here. This is a sandstone, and the lichen that is growing on it is busily weathering away the sandstone, causing it to crumble apart with its organic acids that the lichen secretes. And as that rock weathers away and crumbles and drops down, I'll move the camera and show you what it looks like. Okay, so downslope here just a little bit, we have some accumulation of that weathered rock. Wow, that's kind of interesting. And there it is. This is of course where your soil comes from. It starts up in the hills with rocks weathering and then washes downstream with that clay, a little bit of silt, small pebbles, rocks, that sort of thing. And once you have organic matter mixed in with it, you have something that you can actually grow your food in. All right, so as I'm making my way down the slope, I spotted this vine here. The leaves are all dry, but having made the trek previously, I already know what kind of vine this is. This is a passion flower vine. It's done with its life cycle for the year, completely finished up, dried up, and dead. And I was hoping I would find one of these, and sure enough we did. Look at this. Look at this, people. There we go. There is the fruit of the passion flower, thoroughly ripened and now dried out. We've got some ants enjoying it. I'm gonna open it up and have a look and see if we got seeds inside. I think we do. Looky looky. There we go. All right, so we're gonna get these home and we're gonna try to get some passion flowers, which are obviously landrace since they're growing wild here. We'll have some passion flowers that we can enjoy also. I think I spot another fruit over there. I'm gonna see if I can get over there and get it without tearing myself up on these blackberry brambles too much. Okay, yep, here we go. Pardon my backside. There's a smaller one. So that's completely done. Passiflora incarnata. Still a little sweet. Even though it's mostly dried out, we could probably dehydrate this stuff pretty easy and save it for winter if you wanted to. Passiflora incarnata, anti-anxiety, antispasmodic, mild sedative. Kind of like valerian or water lily, actually. It's a vining plant, occupies the vine layer in a permaculture food forest. One of the 7. Yeah. All right, let's see what else we can find. Okay. This looks like milkweed, perhaps. This might be the one I'm looking for. I'm just going to go ahead and Try to get these flowers and the seeds that they bear. Hopefully there'll be some seed in there. Okay, up here on this slope I found, here's the Staghorn Sumacs with the berries here. We're going to collect some of these berries. I think Mary said she already collected some. So we'll collect some of these berries that are now dry. They still have a lot of that good lemonade flavor to them. Yeah. I think we'll need to stratify these, and then we'll see if we can get them started. We'll have some sumac, Staghorn Sumac. Good stuff. But Mary says she already grabbed some. We'll take a look at the ones that she picked up. We'll get them in the bag and label them. As we're heading down the slope, I had the good fortune to spot another stand of cattails here, and these ones have already gone to seed. See, we have the fluff here, but I think, well, I see a few over here. There's one over here that's more intact. I'll go ahead and grab that entire seed head. There we go. Cattails. Alright, so we're going to take a moment to stop off by this little pond here. These are the Staghorn Sumac that Mary collected. The berries are done, they're dry. I'm going to go ahead and stratify them and see if we can get them to grow. Yeah, I was coming back to make my throw. My foot just sort of sunk down into the mud and it threw me off. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. All right. I can't stop out by a body of water like this without trying to skip a rock. Hey, be careful with football. Where's football?
Football.
Don't want to lose that dog, alligator eater.
It's right there. Come back to the trail. We live in Oklahoma, not Florida.
I'm turning my back to the water.
Those tadpoles are vicious.
We do have alligators here, though.
Alligators?
Yep, we have alligators in Oklahoma.
Say so.
There we go.
Got it.
There we go. Yes, we have alligators in Oklahoma. Well, not here in northeastern Oklahoma. They live in the southeastern portion of the state. Let's see, we have 4 counties that you can find alligators in Oklahoma. There's McCurtain, Love, Choctaw, and Bryan County. Those are the 4 counties in Oklahoma where you can find alligators. You might be wondering, what in the world do the alligators do whenever winter comes and it gets cold and it freezes? Because it freezes here in Oklahoma. Well, it's kind of funny. They put their noses up above the surface of the water, and even if the surface freezes, they can still breathe. And they don't exactly hibernate, but they go into a very, very low energy period. Rumination, I think is what they call it. They're really sluggish, but they're always aware. They know what's going on. So if you're in southeastern Oklahoma and you run across an alligator in the winter, don't get the idea that you can just have your way with him. He knows you're there, and if you irritate him too much, he's likely to take a snap at you.
That'd be the best time to catch him to eat them.
Maybe. Okay, so Mary and Football are over there behind me investigating a little pond on the eastern side of the Turkey Mountain Wilderness area, and currently Football's disturbing the deer that I wanted to capture on film today, so I probably won't be able to show you any deer. Now my next plan was to walk up on some and get them in the camera, but they're gone now. This plant here is, of course, the Mullein plant. The big, long, soft, fuzzy leaves, of course, are now dried. The flowers are done. The flower spike is right here, and this is a good opportunity to go ahead and get some seeds from the Mullein plant.